News, and the Laikipia County government is under immense pressure to deal with the rising COVID-19 patients. The numbers have forced the two main hospitals in the county, the Nanyuki Teaching and Referral Hospital, as well as the Nyahururu Teaching and Referral Hospital, to stop admissions of new patients. Meanwhile, the county government of Isiolo has issued a directive to suspend all non-essential office services for the next 30 days. This owing to an upsurge of COVID-19 cases in the county. Take a listen.
All intensive care unit ICU beds in Laikipia are occupied and there is no room for admission of new patients. According to the Laikipia Chief Officer in charge of Health, Dr. Donald Mogoi, 30 patients are admitted in ICU in critical condition. Many patients are in need of oxygen and the county has no capacity to handle the situation. This has necessitated immediate reinforcement of COVID-19 rules to avoid a surge in cases.
We literally are at maximum capacity. And what we've noticed is that too many of us are violating the rules in barriers, for example, and other functions of that nature.
Whoever is going to be arrested violating the COVID-19 protocols will be subjected to forceful testing, and they have to pay.
The county has so far recorded 2,010 cases since last year. Since the presidential directive to restrict movement in 5 counties, Laikipia has recorded 249 cases in the last 10 days out of a sample size of 1,313, with a high positivity rate of 19% and 12 fatalities reported due to COVID-19 complications. Over 40 people were arrested at a drinking joint in Nanyuki during a joint operation by the Deputy Commissioner and the OCPD Laikipia East. Among those arrested being county officers from Nyandarua County Government who are headed to a dowry ceremony in Meru. The suspects are expected to be arraigned Monday to answer to charges. Through a circular copied to all heads of departments in Isiolo County, the Secretary and Head of Public Service, Dr. Ahmed Galgalo, directed that all county government offices remain closed for the next 30 days.
Only essential service providers departments, like for instance county treasury, fire department, municipality, health service, payroll for the HR department, for tourism, parks, only those essential service provider departments can work fully the way it used to work.
However, the departments were directed to deploy field officers in order to avoid disruption of critical services in the county. Within the last month, Isiolo has confirmed 295 cases, with 5 in the ICU, and has recorded 16 deaths. All staff members aged 58 years and above and those who have pre-existing conditions have also been advised to make appropriate arrangements to work from home.
The number was really rising, and to a level that it also affected even the staffs, including chief officers, the CCs, and also members of the staff of the county government of Isiolo.
Members of the public are now prohibited from accessing Isiolo County government public offices during the work from home period, with bold notice letters displayed in all public office entry points communicating the work from home directive and indicating the cell phone numbers of the relevant officers so that members of the public can call and get help where possible. The directive will be reviewed upon an assessment of the situation in the county after the lapse of the 30 days. Dorcas Wangira, Citizen TV, Nairobi.